Things has changed the wireless way. Bluetooth-enabled devices have made their opt-ins for hassle-free, hand-free taskings. Bluetooth speakers, headsets, headphones, and many more. What about turning a non-Bluetooth device into an enabled one to tailor your need of wireless performance? Not worry, introducing a Bluetooth transmitter. Now, let's get through this small, powerful device. A Bluetooth transmitter is an input device that helps to turn your non-Bluetooth device into a Bluetooth functional one. In simple words, with Bluetooth transmitter, you can watch your TV silently without disturbing others by listening the TV audios via a Bluetooth headphone. Hopefully, you already know about this Bluetooth transmitter function. Let's have a look at the guide on using it. Most Bluetooth transmitters come with a USB connector, a 3.5mm short cable jack, and a power switch button. And here are the functions of those. Well, this USB connector is used to plug into a charging port for charging purpose. Now, the power on and off button is to turning on off the device. Next, the 3.5mm cable jack or 3.5mm port is for connecting this transmitter to the non-Bluetooth device you have. How to use it? So, full charge the Bluetooth transmitter. Then, press the power button to switch it on. Next, plug the 3.5mm cable to your non-Bluetooth device. After that, pair your Bluetooth receiving device with this transmitter by holding press on the Bluetooth transmitter until you hear its connected sound. Now, enjoy the rest of the show. That's pretty much it. Oh yes, in the market, there are Bluetooth transmitters that have both functions of transmitting and receiving all in one device. Therefore, consider what is the best fit for your need then. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos later on. Bye for now.